Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something absolutely delicious and albacio. We're going to cook my version of the lamb shanks cooked in tomato sauce. Absolutely delicious. What we gonna need? I have 3 lamb shanks, I have some plum tomatoes, passata, red pepper, just chopping roughly like that, celery, carrots, onions, garlic. We need some red wine, salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we need a nice casserole to cook it. In this casserole, we're gonna cook this around 3.5–4 hours. First step, we're gonna season the lamb shanks. We take some olive oil, some salt and pepper, very simple, and massage. Because we're gonna brown it a little bit. Second step, we're gonna add some wine, and when the wine is evaporate, we're gonna add the tomato sauce and the plum tomatoes. Touch of olive oil, the plum tomatoes, just squeeze in your hands like this, slowly, just like that. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, if you can, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now what we can do guys, we put all the veg in, garlic, celery, this is 1 pepper, 2 carrots, 3 pieces of celery and 1 onion. Oh yeah, this way is very Mediterranean. Okay? Okay. The veg they cook, now we're gonna brown it a little bit, the shanks, okay? Put in this way first. And 3, okay? Around 4–5 minutes per side, brown it very well. Okay guys, when it's like that, glass of wine. Now on the bottom is all the sticky vegetable, we're gonna try to clean that. Now when the wine evaporates very soon, we're gonna start add the tomato sauce, okay? Try to move on the bottom. Yeah, wow, the smell already guys is very good. Yeah, I'm gonna try to manage this. Yeah, like in this way, yeah. Salt and pepper, just to adjust. After the tomato sauce, guys, we're gonna put the gas on the minimum, lid on, and we're gonna leave that at least 3.5–4 hours, and sometimes even 4.5 hours. But the result is absolutely mwah. Okay, the wine is all evaporate. Plum tomato. Any passata you like. We're gonna put some water in this, okay? the gas down. Yeah, I think it's enough. In this 3.5, 4 hours or even more, you have to check it all the time. Turmeric, garlic, cumin, and the paprika. Mix the gas. I put on the back here. Very slow. Lid on. Check often. Stir it. Always sometimes check the salt, the pepper if you need something else, and leave them to cook around 3.5, 4 hours. Guys, after 3.5 hours, my shanks in tomato sauce, they ready. Wow, look at that. I put in the plate, they still warm. Look there. It's absolutely, look at that. Look at that. So, look at that. Soft. It's amazing. It's absolutely delicious. Wow. Guys, look at that. Fantastic. Guys, this is Piero's Lamb Shanks in tomato sauce. It's this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.